Now, certified the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
Hey on everybody, before we get into our local weather, do want to talk about the super typhoon Haiyan. This is going to be impacting the Philippines late Thursday into Friday. This is going to be a massive news story. Right now, winds of 175 miles an hour and getting relatively close to Manila at landfall. I do think it will weaken a bit before making landfall, but still equivalent to what we consider a Category 5 hurricane. So this will be news. At this point, we could even argue this will likely be the strongest storm on the face of the earth this year. So the timing of this and the location is really going to be bad news for the Philippines. In the tropics, locally in the Atlantic, things have been very quiet of late, but we are looking at some tropical moisture coming in the form of high cloud cover. It's going to give us a milky look to the sky tomorrow, made of ice crystals, those clouds, cirrus clouds. And actually what's going to happen is I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of folks see a ring around the sun tomorrow. It's called a 22-degree halo. It's the sunlight refracting through the ice crystals of those clouds, give it a kind of a cool look to it. It also very often can mean a front is on the way. Now, there is one, although it's a weak one, I will tell you that. Our Futurecast model shows all the cloud cover coming in tomorrow at times, that high milky look to it, if you will. But otherwise, there comes the front. There's very little rain with it, if any rain. So at this point in time, I think we stay mostly dry, even though the front comes in on Friday. Rain chances extremely slim. With a little more cloud cover, we'll go highs in the low to mid 80s tomorrow, although mid to upper 80s in our southern counties, a little bit farther away from any of that cloud cover. There's the 7-day rain chances, only about 20% on Friday, not a huge deal, and only a few sprinkles around early next week with an easterly flow. But by the middle of next week, the models are hinting at a much better chance for some rain.